is no other way to become wealthy without using someone else's time. Your time enriches others, which is why you may end up financially struggling. You wake up in the morning, wash your face, take shower, and hardly prepare yourself to avoid being late for work. When you finally arrive to your job, you work tirelessly from morning until night. By the time you finish for the day, you are exhausted with only one thing on your mind: going home, resting, and getting ready for another day at work. This daily routine continues from Monday to Sunday, with only one day of rest, to attend church and thank God for giving you a job. At the end of the month, you receive your salary, but after paying rent and stoking up on food, there's a little or nothing left. You can't even afford a new shirt or shoes for your child. You find yourself lying to those who once supported you and lent you money during difficult times. You are promising to repay it next month because you have nothing left this month. Unfortunately, the next month doesn't bring any significant change because you are not saving any money. Your salary barely covers your basic needs. You can't pursue anything else outside of your job because your entire day is spent working for your boss. When you are tired, you can't think. And when you have no free time, you can't explore other opportunities. You're trapped in your job because you don't see any alternative, and the outside world seems perilous, with the threat of hunger always looming. You've been living this way for a long time, and as you look into the future, you see no improvement. If your boss ever decides to replace you with a new employee, you'll be out of work. As the days pass, you're getting older. The family is growing. But as your family grows, your income doesn't. When you reach your 40s or 50s, you may be laid off in a favor of younger, stronger employees, rendering you essentially useless. It will be too late to start a new life, and you'll be left with begging or relying on your family for support. You'll realize that you've traded your time for someone else's gain. They won't remember that their success is partly due to your time and effort, because you were paid for your time as an employee. It's a disheartening reality that no one wants to face. Everyone desires a better life. Your time is benefiting other people, and that's why you end up financially struggling. If you didn't know this before, don't blame yourself. But from now on, you can embark on a journey to liberate yourself from this bleak future. Consider how you can start working for yourself and in the future employ others to work for you just like your boss. There is no need for retirement in this scenario. You will continue earning money from the hard work of others. You might be wondering how to do this when you already have no free time. Let me provide you a real-life example and explain it step by step. Suppose you are working for a company fetching water for your boss. Imagine each employee can fetch a maximum of 2 cans of water daily. In your 24 hours, you can fetch 2 cans of water. It's clear that your salary can't exceed 1 liter of water. This little of water pays your rent and covers your family's basic needs. At the end of the day, you have nothing left, and this cycle continues, day after day. But there is a good news. I have a good news for you. There is a way out using the one little of water you earn every day. First, make a decision that you don't want to work for others indefinitely. Let the desire for change hurt you enough to take action. When you're ready, start a challenging journey. Try to learn how to use half of the little of water for your expenses and save the other half. It's not easy. It's a difficult journey, I told you. After 6 months, you'll be able to buy 2 new empty cans from your savings. With these cans, you can find someone else to do the water fetching job while you continue working for your boss, ensuring you have a backup plan. You will earn 2 cans of water from your employee and 1 little from your boss. You pay that 1 little to your employee and keep the 2 cans of water. At this point, life becomes easier because with these 2 cans of water, you can meet your family's needs and save for future investments in more cans. Eventually, you can leave your job and focus on managing and growing your business. You can gradually buy more cans and hire more people to work for you. Let's imagine that you now have 20 employees working for you, fetching up to 40 cans of water daily. Each employee receives 1 little of water, which is 20 liters in total, which is 1 can of water. We have 39 cans of water left daily. In 10 days, it's 390 cans of water. In a month, you will have 1,170 cans of water. Consider how many cans of water you will have in a year. Compare this with your previous job, where you earn just 1 little of water daily. Now you are free. You've hired a manager to oversee your business. You can choose well-educated individuals to manage your company, and you can pay them from the 39 cans of water you earn daily. Your role now is to wait for reports and come up with innovative ideas, such as naming an Employee of the Year and rewarding them publicly. This motivates your employees to work harder and generates more revenue than you expected. The employee who used to fetch 1 can of water now fetches 1 and some littles covering the can you gave the best employee. You can't lose anything. You can rotate that can to another employee each year to maintain healthy competition. The problem most people face is the fear of change. Compare the 1 little of water you used to earn to your current income and tell me the difference. Now you need to use the savings to buy more cans and expand your business. Eventually, your business will provide you with the financial stability you've always desired. You won't need to work under pressure, and you can wake up when you want. Your employees will do the work for you. When you get older or pass away, your child will inherit your business and the wealth you've accumulated. So please like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Leave a comment down below and have a great day. May God bless you all.